Instagram, YouTube, how you guys doing? Y'all, me, Mark Morris, investing in Grant Cardone's apartments in Miami. Got 2 passive income checks for over $150 or $120. And we have one more check coming this year. Should come in like September, October. So I've been invested $5,000 and I'll probably get 2, 3, or 4% back on my income. You say, Martin, that's not a lot of money. You know, people who have 10% credit cards, their interest is going to go up to 12.2.5%. If they had that little passive income I got, they would have some more money. But they're not, because the Fed's going to raise the rates one more time. It's going to be 3.75%. That's a lot of money. We'll talk about that later. So right now, I'm just talking to you a little bit about procrastination. When I get lazy, we're procrastinating. After I do the laundry. This is my procrastination exercise. Sure, I fold all the clothes. So this is what I have right now. There's nothing here in the laundry. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. So I've been pretty good. And tomorrow I have the housekeeper coming too. So I already showed you, like, I've been cleaning up the housekeeper. I've already put a lot of the bathroom. I already put a lot of stuff away. So as soon as the housekeeper comes, I'll put all this away so she can focus on the bathroom and the kitchen. But today is my own procrastination. Even my other job, I've like, okay, I got up early, I went to the job sites, visited people, called people back on the phone, paid all my bills, so now I'm just focused. So it's what, because like you get lazy right now. Even Apple's telling the people to come back to work. No! This is my procrastination size. So have you bought your $289 objection journal? Yeah, it went up. I got gotta get my teeth whitened. I gotta keep the weight down. And I'm doing all that, and all you need to do is do $289. I'm investing $500, and you have to only pay $289. Don't treat yourself, man. The economy is slowing down. I'm telling you. I look from my 3rd floor window, look to see what's happening. Pretty dead at the Marriott. Maybe the people come in on a Friday and a Saturday. I'll be going to the gas station. Gas is going to be below $3. So all you electric car people, man, they took you, man. They took you. Oh, gas is going to go to $8. Gas is going to go to $9. No. Gas may go to $3. How you going to feel then? How you going to feel then, Tesla? And then I didn't realize you have to make sure the battery is charged. If the battery doesn't charge, it gets old. It's possible that you may have to get a new battery. That's why you always hear all this stuff about battery replacement. I'm like, what are they talking about? It's because the battery is different. Interesting. So make sure you don't procrastinate. I'm 54 now, so I can't procrastinate, man. I got haters. I got the IRS. I got clients. I got customers. I'm learning. Just get used to people complaining. Get used to all that crazy stuff out there. But what you got to do is not procrastinate. My procrastination exercises, if I know the housekeeper is coming, I start cleaning the house and everything. Clean the bathroom. And then I make sure every couple of days, if I see I've left the laundry in the laundromat, I'm going to fold it. So once I'm able to eat. So I kind of like put these little limitations on myself, like rewards. You can't eat until you fold all these clothes. So that's what I'm going to do now. So didn't want to talk too much to you today, because the world is crazy. I can't believe. Promote. But like marketing says, we've gone up to 8,000 views. We're heading to 1,000 subscribers. Promote. Just get attention. Remember, inferior products are sold every day. Couples with the worst husbands, the worst boyfriends. My worker who hates me every day. How do they get in? Promote. Later.